Lion LN-90 penetrating oil reduces squeaks from moving parts, lubricates and protects, prevents rust and corrosion, frees rusted and frozen parts, and has a variety of uses. Simply remove the cap and spray on desired part, letting the fluid run to get into the hard-to-reach places. For a more accurate spray, use the provided extension tube. Be sure to read all directions and safety precautions on the back label, and always consult with a professional before use of any product. Drive with confidence with the strength of Lion.